Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the new lesson, reproduction in plants. Reproduction in plants. What is reproduction? Reproduction is a process. It is defined as the new individual, the new organism or individuals are formed. Organisms are new individuals are formed. This is known as reproduction. The reproduction is take place in plants. Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Today we have learned asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is known as many methods. First one is the vegetative propagation. What method? Vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation. Next vegetative propagation. This side what method mean? Budding method. Asexual reproduction is first one is the vegetative propagation method. Next one budding. Next one fragmentation. Fragmentation method. Next one is the spore formation. Spore formation. What asexual reproduction take place in plants are first one is the vegetative propagation method. Some plants are vegetative propagation method. Some plant in budding method, fragmentation and spore formation. The vegetative propagation methods are divided into first one is the what region? Stem. Vegetative propagation through what stem. Vegetative propagation through the root. Vegetative propagation through leaves. Vegetative propagation through buds. Okay, amma. This is the vegetative propagation of the plant. Okay, amma. Propagation of the plant. The stems are the vegetative. This only fully plants are the edible part is the stem. Okay, edible part on the stem. Some plants, okay, some plants are root, some plants are leaves, some plants are buds. The new plants are grow into the another sapling, small. Adutha plant, new plant. Some plants are not have the seed, not produced asexual reproduction. Seed varadu. Seed vandu new plant grow agadu. Fullave enadhu vegetative the method la. Stem la inda new plant is grow. At the root la inda new plant varum. Leaves, buds la varum. Okay. Another method the stem vandu edha pirichirukanga. Stem region. Stem regions are first one is this one is the intervals about the ground level in the plant. This one stem is the runner. First one is the runner. Next one is the tuber. Runner, tuber. Next one what runner, tuber, rhizome. Rhizome. Next one runner, tuber, rhizome and bulb. B-U-L-B, bulb. Next one is the corm. CORM corm இப்படி டிவைட் பண்ணுவாங்க ஓகேயா asexual the reproduction plants is two types of reproduction plant asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction this asexual reproduction is divided into vegetative propagation method budding method some plants are budding method fragmentation method some plants are spore formation the vegetative propagation methods are divided into only to store the food in the edible part in stem region root leaves and buds grow in the new plant also adrinda will not come to the seed iruka seed illama grow agudhu vegetative propagation the stem la vegetative propagation la stem la indu grow agudhu runner adha eppadi categorized runner tuber rhizome bulb and corm first we have learned what ma vegetative propagation through stem vegetative propagation through stem first one what ma first one is the runner the examples of the runner is grasses are runner okay yeah grasses produced by underground stem produced by underground stem as the stems grow through the soil as the stems are grow through the soil as the stems are grow through the soil they produce enappa idha produce pannu new shoots and new shoots meaning enama stem region okay new stems baby stem produce பண்ணுது through the new shoots and the shoots எல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்குனா definite okay யா indefinite no definite தெரியும் at shoots are definite produce the new shoots are also definite next one what ma next one படிச்சிட்டோம் this one what ma இது என்னது first one stemல என்னது runner definite intervals above the ground okay yeah next one is what ma tuber next one is the tuber what are the examples of the tuber are examples of what ma potatoes tubers are example for potatoes potatoes the potatoes are underground stem called tubers potatoes are underground stems called tubers okay are called tubers okay they are swollen because the food are stored in the stored in them எதுல ஸ்டோர் பண்ணோம் food எல்லாம் எதுல தான் ஸ்டோர் பண்ணுது stored in the stem தான் எது in the which one in the potato okay yeah the foods are they are swollen they store because they store the food store food in them next one is what ma idu vandha potato next one is the rhizomes next one rhizomes are also underground stem that are the buds adinda enna varudhu buds moola and the stem region new varudha plant idhula bud varudhu okay ya the next one is the rhizome Rhizomes are underground stem. Rhizome also enama underground stems. They form underground stems that they found enama that they enadum edula varuma buds to give rise to new buds to give rise to new plant. Buds la endu varudhu gives rise to new plants. Roots are developed from the lower surface of the underground stem. Roots are developed from the lower surface of the leaves. Okay, ma example for the underground stem buds give rise to new plants in the what ma in roots are developed from the lower surface of the leaf. Edu sollala ginger, turmeric ella vandu enadhu example for the rhizome. Next one is the bulb. Next one is the bulb. This one is the modification of the enema stem. Okay, next one bulb. For the examples of the bulb are onion. Okay, vengayam. Onion is the examples of the bulb. The scales are present on the onion or modified in the leaves or modified leaves la. Leaves they contain store food. Leaves they contain store food. Food store pannudhu. Store food. At the center of the bulb is the bud is called bulb. Bud is called what ma? Bud is called apical bud. The pair apical bud. Center la ulla bud oda name enadhu apical bud enna new idu plant grow agi varudhu. Adha vandu andha idu apical bud nu solluvom. The buds on the side of the leaves. Buds on the side of the leaves are lateral buds. The buds on the side enama lateral bud. Apical bud எதை grow பண்ணுது? இந்த என்னது root இதெல்லாம் வந்து leaves எல்லாம் form பண்ணுது. Some roots are root இதெல்லாம் வந்து form பண்ணுது. Which one? In the lateral buds. Okay children. Next one is the corm. தண்டு கிழங்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க தமிழ்ல. தண்டு கிழங்கு. ஓகே, கார்ம்ஸ் ஆர் ஃபார்ம்ட் with lot of இது gladiolus. தண்டு கிழங்கு gladiolus is the corms are formed with lot of rhizome joined together. rhizome மாதிரி தான். எதை மாதிரி? rhizome. They give rise to அதுல இருந்து என்ன வருது? come to the new plants. Okay, new plant not come to the seed. என்னமா அந்த இதுல இருந்தே வரும். இந்த stem region ல இருந்தே வருது. But develop at the this one is the gladiolus. It is the buds. இது வருது. buds எப்படி ஃபார்ம் ஆகுதுன்னா இந்த பிளான்ட்ல. ஓகே, next one vegetative propagation through roots. அதில் எது வரும் some plants வந்து ரூட்டில் ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது ஓகேயா some plants are new to come to the new plants வந்து எதில் வருதுமா come to the root for the examples of the எதை சொல்லலாம் sweet potato சீனிக்கலாம் the examples of the food is stored in the root region அது போக சொல்லலாம் carrot beetroot எல்லாம் படிச்சிருப்பீங்க for the 6th standard already we have learned in the 6th standard படிச்சீங்க இது it is to store the food in the root region next one தான் வந்துமா இதாகும் வாட்மா next வந்து the vegetative propagation through the which one in the leaves okay vegetative propagation through the leaves for the examples of the leaves which leaves come to the leaves plantlets இருக்கு அது வழியே the margin leaf margin ல இருந்து grow the new plant for the examples of bryophyllum or bryophyllum சொல்லலாம் bryophyllum or begonia or the begonia it is the vegetative propagation through the leaves example which one in the bryophyllum and begonia but the develop at the base of the stem of the plant the grow the new plant இது வந்து என்னமா this on the margin of the leaves okay it is the margin of the leaves ka margin la தான் என்ன பார்க்கணும் grow the new plant new buds root la irundhu varadhu new plants come from the leaves then the margin பக்கத்துல இருந்து என்ன it will grow into the new plant okay this is margin the new plant is grow in this margin example for the what bryophyllum and begonia margin of the leaves contain buds some plants are plantlets arise from this buds arise from the plantlets the plantlets fall off and develop into the mature plant the இதுல இருந்து என்ன செய்யும் plantlets ல இருந்து விழுந்த இந்த plant வந்து கீழால விழுந்து அந்த plants ல இருந்து தான் என்ன செய்யுது new plant only form பாரு the plantlets fall off and develop into the mature plant இதுல இருந்து fall ஆகி என்ன வந்து new plant is formed the bryophyllum and begonia one the vegetative propagation through the root is the example for sweet potato but develop at the stem of the base of the stem of this plant the grow in the new plants என்ன ஆகுமா by taking the nutrition from the swollen and modified the rootல தான் என்னது nutrition எடுத்து food store பண்ணி அதுல என்ன ஆகும் new plant also grow the buds also grow in the roots okay children modification what modification vegetative propagation la stem root leaves and bud stems are runner tuber rhizome bulb and culm next one is the budding method next one artificial method of vegetative propagation la first one cutting method okay artificial method cutting method for the examples of the cutting method in the rose plant என்ன பண்ணுவோம் ரோஸ் பிளான்டோட ஸ்டெம் ரீஜனை கட் பண்ணி யூ க்ரோ இன் அது கம் டு த நியூ பிளான்ட் யூசிங் இன் த ஸ்டெம் ரீஜன் ஓகே கட்டிய போர்ஷன் ஆஃப் இட் ஸ்டெம் ஃப்ரம் த கட்டிய போர்ஷன் ஆஃப் த stem portion of its stem from the node and a place from the node and place it in a suitable rooting medium that includes moist sand, a mixture of compost and soil, soil. After some days a new plant is will grow it. கொஞ்ச நாள் கழிச்சு பார்த்தா அந்த பிளான்ட்ல என்ன இருக்கு வரும்? The new plant is grow it. Okay will grow. Cut off the cutting when the roots and stem. Cutting with roots stems. எதெல்லாம் கட் பண்ணி இப்போ stem region வச்சு கட் பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணுதா? Portion of the stem from it node place land place it in the suitable rooting medium that includes என்னெல்லாம் தேவை? Moisture and ஈரப்பதம் உடைய மண் and mixture of compost நம்ம உரம் fertilizer compost and a soil is mixed. After some days the new plant will grow out. கொஞ்ச நாள் கழிச்ச அப்புறம் என்ன ஆகுது? The new plant will grow ஆகுது. After cutting with roots and stem. After the cutting the அது என்ன வரும்? அதுக்கு பிறகு stem regionல இருந்து கீழால என்னது? அந்த cutting regionல last portionல என்ன வந்துருது? Come to the root. Okay children. Next one method is the budding, fragmentation and spore formation. Next method is budding method. Budding method is the, for the example of the budding method take place in the yeast cell. Okay yeast cell or Saccharomyces yeast cell is take place in the budding method. First you form the small yeast. Center portion have the how many nuclei? It is formed on the parent cell. This is called the bud. Small outgrowth is formed in the parent cell. Lende or small outgrowth varum paru. இது வந்து என்ன ஆகுது? நெக்ஸ்ட் new small bud is formed. Two nucleus என்ன ஆகுதுப்பா? One nucleus towards the இந்த பக்கம் வந்துருது. Another one nucleus in center there. Next the yeast cells. Next, which cell come? The bud is increases in size and break up the parent cell and forms the new individual. இதுல இருந்து budsல இருந்து என்ன? budல இருந்து என்ன ஆகுது? அதுல இருந்து தனியா பிரிஞ்சு என்ன பண்ணுது? parent cell இங்க வருது. yeast cell. இது வந்து new இந்த cell new cell எங்க போகுது? offspring. The another split ஆகிருக்கு. சரியா? இதுலேருந்து இது ஸ்ப்ளிட் ஆகி இங்கே போகுது. Two nucleus are found in the split. This method is the what method? This is the method of budding method. Okay what method ma? It is the budding. For the examples of the yeast, a small outgrowth is formed on the parent cell. One outgrowth is formed on the parent cell. When the nucleus of the parent cell is divided in one daughter cell. The parent two nucleus என்ன ஆகுது? divide ஆகி ரெண்டு parent cellக்கு ஒரு nuclei போயிருது. One cells of one nucleus are divided into two daughter cells. Migrate into the bud. Migrate in the this one is the bud. Migrate the bud. This bud increase in the size, break up the parent cell and forms the new individual. When the break ஆகி என்ன ஆகுது? new individual is formed. This method is budding method. Next method is fragmentation method. It is the examples of the Spirogyra plant. Example for the Spirogyra, Oodogonium, all the what method in the using in the based on which method? In the fragmentation method. For the Spirogyra, this method is what method ma? Fragmentation method. What now this one? Chloroplast. What this one ma? Chloroplast. This is the septae. Septa. Okay, this chloroplast. Then this method la septa idu renda pirinjirudu. The fragment in this their body is plum and scale, a row of rectangular cell. Row of what cell ma? Rectangular cell lying one above the other. One is above the other. When the filament of plant gets broke into small fragment pieces, renda broke ayirudhu. This pieces is broke into small fragment. Septa ilindi idu broke aagi enagide small fragment pieces. This one is daughter. This side girls the what ma? Divided into parent. Parents. Okay, children. The greenish color is the what ma? Chloroplast. For the examples of the Spirogyra. Okay. The body is filamentous, have a row of rectangular cell lying on the one above the other. When the filament of plant get broke into small fragment pieces, the fragment grow complete organism. Okay. Yeah. Next one, spore formation. Spore formation for the examples of mold and the next one example for the fern. Okay. Yeah. Fern also spore formation. The thread hyphae knot-like structure called the sporangia. Each knot is 100 of minute spore. Backside have a spore for the fern. Fern is the spore in the yellow color. Yellow color have a spore. Each knob include minute spores producing structure. When the sporangian types is burst open and dispersed through the air, and the chinna spores are dispersed unfavorable condition and the moisture idanaala irapada idalam சேர்ந்து என்ன பண்ணுது spore வந்து germinate ஆகி new mold மாறுது. Okay, this spore formation is only example mold and another one is the fern. Okay, example for fern. Okay, children, thank you ma.